Today, I will be presenting a data visualization software which is called Tableau. Tableau can help anyone see and understand their data and create visualizations. It is used in the business intelligence industry. The main importance of this software is if you are interested in a career in data science and analytics, then Tableau is a great skill. So the visualizations are created in the form of dashboards and worksheets. So let's get started. I will be telling you certain steps which you should know when you are going to start this Tableau. So first of all, what is Tableau? Tableau helps us to analyze data for business visualizations and forecast sales, profitability, and revenue for any company. So there are certain steps by which we should go forward for making these visualizations. So first step is, first we have to create an Excel sheet by collecting the financial data of the company and its competitors. So first we are going to do that. Take an Excel sheet. So first of all, we will write the name of the company here. Then we will write year because we are forecasting the data related to years, that is previous year and the current year. Then we will be writing the sales growth, net profit, EPS, that is earnings per share, ROCE percent, next we will be writing NPM, net profit margin, then we will be writing cash flow, that is from operating activities, next we will be writing current assets, next current liabilities, and then working capital. So ROCE is return on capital employed. So this is a financial ratio which is used to measure the profitability of a company. So all these things are used to measure the profitability, sales and liquidity position of the company. So let's start how we will go further and how we will make the data graphs using these data. So first we have to collect data of any company. I'll be taking here one company called Hero MotoCorp. You will be familiar with it. It's an Indian company, automobile company.